Hey guys, today I brought you to the kitchen. I have been asked about this recipe so much that it is best if I make a video of it. So the first thing I always do is to spiralize the zucchini. I do not peel it because I like how the skin makes part of the texture of the noodles. And I found this spiralizer online. I'm going to try to link the Amazon store in the description. And this tool has two sides. So on the right hand side, the one I'm using here, it's the thinnest part of it, and then the other side it makes like thicker pieces. So I do both. I do a mixture of both, so you will see it in the next slides. Okay, I recommend using everything from the zucchini. You can slice whatever leftover you get from it, and there is no need to throw it away, as I am doing here. As you can see, I used both sides of the spiralizer, and I do this because if I only use the thick part, it becomes too big and bulky, and then when I use the thin part of it only, it becomes too mushy. Okay, here we go to the next part. The first one was prepping, and now we're actually cooking. So I lightly fry the mushrooms until they look a little golden, and then I add for about, let's say, 3 minutes. And then I add the spaghetti sauce. As for the spaghetti sauce, there are lots of options. You can use the vegan spaghetti sauces, or you can just use the regular spaghetti sauce, or you can just make your own. You have a lot of options right there, but this Alfredo one complements the mushrooms very well, and the vegan sausage. One last thing, besides the mushrooms, I added some vegan sausages to give it more protein. What I did is the day I ate it, I just heat it up in the microwave, and that's it. You don't need to cook it. I usually make these noodles to take to work, and if you're like me, I recommend you take everything in separate containers, and when it's time to eat, you just heat it all up in a plate all together. And that's it. You don't need to cook the zucchini noodles. You don't have to do anything else. I really hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one.